In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to select and change colors in Canva. By the end, you'll feel confident adjusting colors in a way that keeps your design consistent, readable, and on brand. Start by opening your design in the Canva editor. This is where all the magic happens. Once your project is open, click directly on the shape, icon, or graphic you want to change. You'll know it's selected when you see a bounding box around it, and, most importantly, a small colored square appears in the top toolbar. That square shows the current color of the element you clicked. Next, open the color panel by clicking that color tile in the top toolbar. Think of it as your control center for that element's color. Some graphics have multiple editable colors, so you may see more than one swatch there. Just click the one you want to adjust. If you don't see a color option at all, it usually means that particular element isn't color editable, which can happen with certain photos or complex illustrations. Now it's time to pick a color. The simplest route is document colors. These are colors already used in your design. Choosing from this section helps you stay consistent and avoid accidental mismatches. It's a quick way to keep headlines, shapes, and accents aligned visually without guessing. If you want something new, click the plus, add a new color button. This opens a color picker where you can drag to find the right hue and fine-tune the exact shade and brightness. If you already know the exact shade you want, you can enter a hex code here. A hex code is a 6-character color value, like a unique 499 for a color, which ensures absolute precision across projects and platforms. For perfect matching, use the eyedropper tool within the Add a New Color menu. When you click it, your cursor becomes a sampler. Hover over any color in your design and click to capture it instantly. This is especially handy when you want a shape to match a color in a photo or to mirror a specific part of a logo. For the best accuracy, zoom in a bit so you pick up the exact pixel you intend, especially around edges or gradients. That's the process. Thanks for watching.